In the previous video, we have created a pyramidal tract image with the various neural structures through which the tract passes. In this video, we will add a 3D effect to these images. What I am doing now is adding a preset shape to the midbrain and giving a 3D rotation. I'm trying out some rotation. This way I'll turn that side to the right or the left of the individual. So the midbrain is now as a 3D effect, and I'm trying to increase the depth of that a little bit. Keep it in the midline in line with the other structures, and adding the same 3D effect to pons. I have to do it to the medulla also. I have to readjust the tract. I'm doing it for the spinal cord, white matter, and then the gray matter by the tools available. I have to readjust the structures for the tract. From cortex to midbrain is okay. Midbrain to the pontine, the bundles are okay, but we have to align them, make them closer, because the 3D structure has a smaller outline. Pons is okay. Now I have to readjust these bundles which join together. It's a slightly difficult thing, so what I do, bring the pons down and pull the bundles down, make them a little closer so they are in the pons now. The group has again joined together and passed through the caudal medulla, pyramids, and the 85% crossed fibers have gone to the lateral side. The red one, anterior corticospinal tract, have to adjust again a little bit. Lateral corticospinal is okay. Thicken the spinal cord a little bit, made it more 3D. Now align the anterior corticospinal tract to the anterior funiculus. So I think that's it.